Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your voice pitch using the CapCut video editor. Whether you want to add a fun twist to your videos or just experiment with different sounds, this tutorial will guide you through the steps. Make sure to watch till the end and don't miss any steps. Open CapCut. Tap on New Project and select the video you want to edit from your gallery. Once your video is imported, you'll see it in the timeline. Tap on the video in the timeline to select it. A menu will appear at the bottom of the screen. Scroll through the options and tap on Extract Audio. The audio from your video will now appear as a separate track below the video track. Tap on the extracted audio track to select it. Bottom menu until you find voice effects. Tap on it. Change your voice pitch.
Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum.
In the voice effects menu, you'll see various options for modifying your voice. You can experiment with different pitch levels to find the one that fits your needs. You can make your voice sound higher or lower. After adjusting the pitch, tap on the check mark to apply the changes. Save your edited video. Choose your desired resolution and export settings, then tap on Export. Wait for the export process to complete, and your video with the modified voice pitch will be saved to your device. And that's it! You've successfully changed the voice pitch in your video using CapCut. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos and updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.